Over the years, I get asked this question a lot about the problem of evil. I work cases that can be pretty horrific, and there's nothing more heart-wrenching than have a family ask you, why did that happen to my daughter? It's pretty tough to be able to provide an answer, and the answer is almost always complex. A series of circumstances come together that made that crime possible. And I've worked a lot of homicides in which it was difficult after the fact to explain to families why that would happen. Why would God allow that to happen? In a rather counterintuitive sense, though, you have to understand, really, I think, why we call something evil. Is it just a matter of our personal opinion? If it's a matter of personal opinion, I just don't like what happened to my daughter, then we could actually remove all evil by simply changing our mind about it. We could change our opinions, and then evil would go away. But that's not very satisfying, right? Because we have a sense that, no, it's not my opinion that that's evil. That is objectively, transcendently evil. That is truly evil, what happened in some of these crimes. There is a sense that we would have to have something in place first in order to call something truly evil. We'd have to have a standard of righteousness, a standard of good that's more than our personal opinions if we want to call evil something more than just our personal opinion. If you think there are some things that are truly evil, that are transcendently, objectively evil, there'd have to be a transcendent, objective standard of good by which you are comparing the act to call it evil. So it turns out that in order for us to have true evil in the world, we have to first have a true standard of good. Christianity provides that, right? Theism provides that because we believe there's a God that is the true standard of righteousness by which we would measure anything and determine that it's evil. All that's left for us to do at that point is to ask, why would God allow something like this to occur? But the fact that something truly evil did occur can really only be understood if, first, God exists and provides us with a standard of righteousness.